What's up, Golden Line family? My name is CJ Hurd from Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and this fall I'm an incoming freshman majoring in multimedia communications. The reason why I chose UAPB is because UAPB was just a great family environment. Everyone is super friendly, like a brother or sister. And UAPB was just a great financial decision. The Office of Recruitment offered me multiple scholarships that made college affordable. And UAPB is just a great place to go to school. So I was like, why not? So this fall, I'll be attending the University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff, and I'm so excited to be a part of the Pride.
The reason why I chose University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff was because it's an HBCU. Also, they have a lot of different clubs. I love how the campus looks, and I love that they take you in no matter what. Also, this school made me feel like it's my second home, and it's not far away.
What's up with y'all, man? My name is Keon Bearden. I'm from Pine Bluff, Arkansas. I'm majoring in physical education. I play football, and the reason why I chose to go to UAPB is because UAPB has always felt like home to me. UAPB has always been in my heart ever since I was a little kid. I grew up around UAPB, and I'm most definitely been a UAPB fan. But not only in sports, my family went to UAPB and got their degrees and so on. So now I want to follow and trace their footsteps and pass it down to my family and my generation once I get older. I likes to have fun. I'm laid back and chill. So if you see me on campus, don't hesitate to speak. Go Lions.
Greetings, UAPB, and to the soon-to-be dopest class on campus, UAPB-24. My name is Caitlin Peterson. I will be attending the University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff in the fall. You may ask, why did I choose UAPB? I chose UAPB because UAPB chose me. UAPB made sure that I, along with many other students across the United States, had an opportunity to further our education despite everything that is going on. Also, I chose UAPB because UAPB has a culture of love, family, and unity, and that is something that I need to succeed. And lastly, I chose UAPB because UAPB has produced so many great lawyers, doctors, and also educators, and I will be next on their list. So be like me, because the Pride is where you want to be.